Okay, remember the rules of KenKen. In each column, these are columns, you have to have the numbers 1 through 4, right? This is 4 by 4 KenKen, so we're going to use numbers 1 through 4. In each row, you have to have the numbers 1 through 4. Additionally, you have to meet the requirements in these boxes. Like these two numbers have to multiply to 6. These two numbers have to subtract to 3. This number is going to be the number 4. This number is going to be the number 1, right? So those are the rules. So now let's talk about strategy. What I do is I find a box, like not this box. This box sucks because you know what? This could be 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, right? Like there's so many possibilities. So I'm going to find a box more like this one. Because what are two numbers that subtract to 3? Remember, I can only use the numbers 1 through 4. This has to be a 1 and a 4. So I'm just going to make myself a note. I don't know if the 1 goes here or the 4 goes here, but I know this is going to be a 1 and a 4. And same deal here, two numbers that multiply to 6, I know this has to be a 2 and a 3. Again, I'm going to make myself a note because I don't know which is which yet. And the key to KenKen's is you never, ever, 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 ever fill in something you're not sure about, okay? And let's see, I'm going to look over here next. Now, 5 plus could be 4 plus 1, or it could be 3 plus 2. But here's the thing, I've already used a 1 in this column, so it has to be a 2 and a 3, right? So now, in this column, here's what I observe. I have a 1 already, I have a 2 and a 3 already, so this has to be a 4. And then you know what? 4 minus what number is 1? Oh, that has to be a 3. Okay, so you can see like I didn't fill in anything I wasn't sure of, and I'm kind of just moving around, finding things. Okay, now look, what's great about making these notes is look, now I can come back to this note and say, oh, I said this was going to be a 4 and a 1, but I wasn't sure which is which. But now I see that there's a 4 in this row. So there can't be another 4 in this row, so now I know this has to be a 1, this has to be a 4. Now I look at this row and I see, oh, it already has a 1, a 3, and a 4, so there must just be the 2, which is the only thing left. And then let's look here, there's already a 4. So this could have been 4 divided by 2, but there's already a 4 there, so it's going to be 1, 2 divided by 1. And then looking at this column, this has to be a 3, because that's the only thing left. Coming over here, this was going to be a 2 and a 3, but I know now this can't be a 3 because there's already a 3 here. So that's going to be a 2, that's going to be a 3. Then in this row, the only thing left is a 4. And then let's take a look. I noticed here I made this note about the 2 and the 3. Now I have a 3 in this row, so let's put the 2 here, the 3 here. And then when I fill in these last boxes, we'll just check and make sure it works, right? The only thing left in this row is a 1. The only thing left in this row is a 2. So does this work? Is 2 divided by 1 2? Looks good. Okay, you can try the other one.